Now, if you see your distributions, this is pretty linear. This is not the way normally we work, right? So we may have to go for curved distributions, either depending upon the type of commodity we are dealing with, can be uh, forward loaded, backward loaded, or bell curve. So all these options are also available. For that, you have to define your curves. So this is the predefined curves. This is the backloaded. This is the front loaded. If you want to define your own percentages for individual durations, you can define that. If you have any other, uh, for example, I have something like this, which is very, it's not easy to just find out a percentage. Then you can also say that this is how it is going to happen. And then it can capture the curves straightforward. So this is a new curve, what you have just put. This is the new curve, what you have put. So even if you want to attack on this level also, this is also possible. So for putting any curves, you have to just use the curve ID. That curve ID can be brought in using the define columns. And we can select what curve ID we want to use it. Let's use a bell curve. So do one. No, 2 is a backloaded. Bell curve is a number is 1. So let's change it to short distribution. You can see the distribution has changed. You can see now the distribution is like a bell. So like this, we have so much of flexibility on how we want to use it. Now, if I update on this again, okay, now let's do some manpower histogram. Now, this is the quantities what we are seeing. For example, if I'm saying that I have some random some man hours, so I'm just putting it as random. Just for sake of understanding, I'm saying that I have some man hours, and these are my man hours. I can again use the same show distribution. This will give me the distribution of the man hours. I'll apply it linearly for understanding. Now we are